In previous video we have talked about this clean and nice template. We have rendered this template and we have the the detail of an article. Let's see the code. We have two pages here, like the index and the post. One is like the list of article and the other is the article detail. Now let's see here something. We have here the HTML and the nav bar tag, and we have the page header, and the main content and the footer. Okay, the same thing here. And the post detail, or in the article detail, we have this navigation bar and the header, the article, the content, and the footer. Okay, we have some common things here, like the navigation bar, the header, footer. Only the difference between this file and the index file is this content, main content here, and actually the main content here. Okay, the article. Now if you see here as well, like for example, if I have the list of article, here we have this buttons, the navigation bar, the same thing. In this page also we can see the navigation bar, and we have this header, this clean page. Here also we have this, and at the end if we see this, the footer, and the footer also same for both pages. So if we have hundred or thousands of pages, so I think it's bad idea, or like it is not a good way to code. That's why we should find some way to make our work easy. So it is a hard coded, we can say. Actually it is not a hard coded, but it is a bad practice. So we avoid the bad practices, and we have to have the good practices or good coding. That's why I want to create a file here, base.html. Or sometimes people or developers make like this file as the layout.html as well. So here I want to clean here everything. Okay, here in the base.html I have the navigation bar. The navigation bar will remain same for all the pages. Header remain the same. Only the content I just delete from here, or I paste. So I want to have a block content, and in block content I want to end block. I just have this, and an index I delete everything. I just paste this part. Okay, so in first of it I will have this block content, and at the end I want to have this end block. Okay, very easy. Just focus on here because it is very confusing at first. When you watch 2 times or 3 times, you can understand this. So I have a base.html file because everything here is same or common for every pages. The only thing we have here, block content and end block, here is empty. But in this index.html we have this block and end block. One more thing I must tell here. So along with this block I want to extend that base.html. So I do like this, extends, to keep the spelling in your mind that it should be the base, extends, not extend, extend. So when I extend it, so there is, I just check the templates and the block. I just forget about the templates and have the block here, the block directory, block base.html. We just say that in this part, and block slash base.html, just extend this. So we have both the things like the base.html and like the home or the index.html, the content. Only we have removed some content from here. Now if I press the refresh button, I see the same thing. But here something is the same, like in post. I want to do the same thing in post as well. I want to cut this and just remove everything, and I want to have like a blog content and blog. Okay, here I have the article. Okay, but before that I want to have the here before this blog I want to have the extend as well. Extends blog slash base.html. Many developers call it as layout.html as well. So this part is very less now, not a lot of codes. Now when I refresh this, again the same thing, nothing more. Very clean and very nice. Okay, we have learned this. Now let's see here. The title is like clean blog or startup like this. I want to modify this title as well. Like I want to remove this. Here our website will be like blogging website. Blog title. I want to have the end blog here. Okay, now the title is blogging. Okay, if I the title is blogging, but here when we have this like the detail of a blog, it should be the title. Either the title is fourth article or fifth article or the third article. It should be like that. So I just copy this, and in the post detail I'm here, and I should have here like blogging and what will be article dot title. Okay, when I refresh, see blogging fourth article, but here I must have like this first, one line and blogging fourth article. So this very clean. You can have the subheading and you can have anything like that, but here this is very clean code, and this can be like a good practice. When we code, everything cannot be written here, everything cannot be why we say like this. For example, we have 10 pages, and when we refresh this, so this page will load the static file separately. When we load this page, so this page will load the static file separately. It will take a lot of times, and we have to just remove or do not repeat ourselves, because when we have something repeated, so it will make our website very slow, and also it will be like we repeat ourselves time and again in every page.